My name is Katrina Martin. I'm with the Mike Morse Law Firm. I've been an attorney for 10 years this summer, and I've been an attorney here at the Mike Morse Law Firm for 6 years in February. There's a lot of rewarding parts of our job here. The one that I like the most is not the end of the lawsuit. It's during the lawsuit where someone has been made to feel safe again throughout this process. You know, whatever question they asked, the answer I gave just lowered down their stress, made them feel calm about what the next steps are going to be, because we're not done yet and it's a long process. Outside of work, I'd like to do gardening. I've got a couple of dogs, so they always want to go places and do things, and I do woodworking and some home remodeling. My favorite quote out of context is, ask not what you can do for your country, what your country can do for you. Because when you take off the patriotic lacquer of it, I really like seeing how you can help something before you're expecting things. I'm from West Michigan originally, the Grand Rapids area, so there is a lot to like about Detroit that is something that was foreign to me when I got here. I like the vibrancy. I like the pride that all the people have with the city around here. Obviously growing up on the other side of the state, Detroit was spoken about in passing. It was in sports teams, but beyond that, didn't have much of an association with it. But once I moved here, people are proud of their city, and that's engaging. It's romantic, and I really like that. Favorite part of the job is always going to be the clients. All attorneys become attorneys because they like to be right, so that would be the same no matter anywhere you go. But just knowing that you caught people in a situation they don't know what to do, they're in pain, they're confused. There's a lot of working parts in auto cases and negligence suits that they're lost through the whole process. So I like going through that with them and knowing that they can rely on me to do right by them and to let them know that I have their best interests at heart. I want my clients to know that we're in this together. While I'm not in their shoes, I'm exceptionally respectful for what they're having to go through, and I'm doing everything that I can to make sure they're protected in the best way that we can, so they'll be in the best position at the end.